Morning, assalamu alaikum class. Today we have to start chapter 6. We have done question 1 2 3. Today we start question number 5. Question number 5 is intermediate level. Statement is simplify each of the following. First part is 9x a minus b whole square divide 27x cube a minus b whole cube. Okay, this is the first part of exercise 6a. Topic is algebraic expression 9x a minus b whole square 27x cube a minus b whole cube. Now again 9x a minus b whole square 27x cube a minus b whole cube. Now constant cancel with constant and variable cancel with variable. Got it? Just like 9x a minus b whole square mean a minus b is 2 times a minus b a minus b. Got it? 27 x cube mean x is 3 times x into x into x, or a minus b whole cube mean a minus b is 3 times because there is power 3 and power 3 is called cube and power 2 is called square. Got it? Now we cancel to each other. A minus b cancel with a minus b, a minus b cancel with a minus b. Now this x cancel with this x. 9 1 da 9, 9 3 da 27. What is the remaining value? 1. There is no variable after cancellation and there is 3 and there is x into x. X into x mean x is 2 times x square and a minus b. This is your answer. After this, question b part is same. 7 divided by 21 and then a cube a minus 3b power 4 a minus 3b power 2 and there is b square into b. Now there is c part. C part is part C 8ab cube 2a plus 3b whole square divide 32 a square and power b power 1. There is no power, it means there is 1 power. 3b plus 2a. Got it? First you write solution. Now 8ab cube 2a plus 3b square whole square divide 32 a square b. There is no power, it means there is 1 power. Similarly there is no power with there, it means there is 1 power. 3b plus 2a. Got it? Now we cancel with the table of 4. 4 2 the 8, 4 8 the 32. What are the remaining constant after cancellation? 2 divide 8. Now we cancellation variable. There is 2 power and there is 1 power. It means this cancel with this and 1 power is remaining. Got it? There is b power 1 and there is 3 power. It means this b cancel with power 3. There is 3 power. After cancellation the remaining power is 2. Got it? There is power 1 and there is power 3. After cancellation remaining power of b is 2. Now 2a plus 3b whole square and 3b plus 2a, and this 2a plus 3b we also written as this 3a plus 2b is 2a plus 3b. Got it? We replace these values because there is 2a plus 3b. That's why we replace this value. We replace 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b. Now these are cancelled. 2a plus 3b with cancel with there, and after remain there is power 1. The answer is a is cancelled and remaining power b is 2, b square and the remaining power is 2a plus 3b is 1. It's mean there is one power, and after this this is a and this is a square. After cancellation the remaining power is 1 a, and there is no power with no remaining power of b, and this is also whole cancel, and this is your answer. Got it? When we cancel these value, then to convert 2a and 3b, to replace this value, 2a convert into 3b and 3b convert into 2a, just like this. Got it? Because we cancel these values. Got it? Okay class, after this now we start C part. C part is a 8ab cube 2a plus 3b whole square divide 32a square b 3b plus 2a. Got it? Now 8ab cube 2a plus 3b whole square 32a square b, there is 2a plus 3b, that's why we replace this value 2a plus 3b, because हमने इनको कैंसिल करना है. कैंसिल करने के लिए they are same, there is 2a plus 3b and there is also 2a plus 3b, then we cancel to each other, that's why we replace this value. 2a को हमने पहले लिख लिया और 3b को हमने बाद में लिख लिया. It doesn't matter because if there is 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3, answer is 8 and answer is 8. Got it? उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा अगर हम लोग इसको 3b 2 plus 2a को 2a plus 3b में कन्वर्ट कर दें. इट डजेंट मैटर. Got it? After this we cancel the constants to with the table of 4. 4 2 the 8, 4 8 the 32. 2 divide, and this is a and this is b cube, mean b is 3 time. Okay, now 2a plus 3b whole square mean 2a plus 3b is 2 time 2a plus 3b. After this, after cancellation the remaining value is 8. A power 2 mean a square means a into 2 time, and b is single 2a plus 3b. Now we again cancel 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8, and this a cancel with this a, and this b cancel with this b, and 2a plus b cancel with 2a plus 3b. What are the remaining value? This b and b, 1b into b, and this one 2a plus 3b divide 4, and this one a. Just now b into b we get b square 2a plus 3b and divide 4a. This is your answer. It's too much simple and easy. Okay class, after this we have to solve e part. E part is y square minus 2y minus 15 divide y square minus 3y minus 10. Got it? And this question is solved by factorization, both numerator and denominator. First we make the factor of numerator, then we make the factor of denominator. Okay, now you come on numerator. There is one constant and there is 15. That is first step is 1 multiplied by 15, we get 15. Got it? Now we make the factor of 15. This is the second step. Just like 1 multiplied by 15 equal to 15, and 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. Third step is when we add or subtract these factors, then we get the middle value, and middle value is minus 2. It's mean we required minus 2. We have to need minus 2. When we add or subtract these factors, then we get minus 2. Okay, when we add this 8 plus 3, then we get 8. No, now we subtract these factors, just like 3 minus 5, then we get minus 2. It's mean this is correct. Got it? Okay, now factors are y square and minus 15 as it is. First and last value as it is. What are the factor of minus 2? 3 minus 5 plus 3 and minus 5. There is y, that's why we will put y and y here. Got it? Now you come on denominator. Then denominator is, there is 1 and there is 10. First step is, this denominator is also solved by factorization method. 1 multiplied by 10 we get 10. Got it? Now we make the factor of 10, just like 1 multiplied by 10 equal to 10, 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10. Got it? We have to require minus 3. We have to require minus 3. When we add or subtract this factor, then we get minus 3. Just like third step is, when we add or subtract this factor, we get just like 2 minus 5, we get minus 3. It's right, because we have to require minus 3. When we subtract the just like 5, 2 minus 5, then we get minus 3. Okay, factors of my factor is plus 2 and minus 5. First value y square and last value minus 10 as it is. What are the factor of minus 3y? 2 minus 5 plus 2y minus 5y. There is y, that's why we will put y and y here. Got it? Now we make the pair of numerator and denominators. Y square plus 3y, y square plus 3y, and this one minus 5y plus 15. We take minus common, that's why inner sign will be reversed. जब भी माइनस कॉमन आएगा कॉमन में, देन ब्रैकेट का साइन रिवर्स हो जाएगा. Now we make the factor of denominator y square plus 2y, and minus is common, 5y plus 10. Now we make the pairs of numerator and denominator. Now we take common value from numerator, and there is y. Common means same value in both terms, just like there is y square and there is power 1, okay, of y. Y is common. There is 2y and 1y is here, plus 3. Got it? Minus. Okay, now we take common 5. Y 5 plus 5 3 the 15. Now here we take common y, and the remaining is y plus 2 minus 5 y plus 2, because 2 5 the 10. Got it? Okay, to check factorization, if brackets are same just like these, it's mean our factorization is correct. It is a method to check factorization. These are same, y plus 3 y plus 3 y plus 2 y plus 2. It's mean both numerator and denominator have same correct factorization. Okay, and these are same. We will write into one time y plus 3 and the common value y minus 5 with the other within other bracket, and y plus 2 are same. We write one time, and the common value is y minus 5 is written here. Got it? Now these are same, y minus 5 y minus 5, these are cancelled, and the answer is y plus 3 and y plus 2. This is answer. Got it? Okay class, after this there is a stand of A, C and E part. Now you come on F part. Now you come on G part. G part is 9x square minus y square divided by y square minus 2xy minus 3x square. Got it? This is your G part. Got it? Now we also written as 9 into 3 square, and this x square as it is minus y square. Now we factorize the denominator. How we factorize this? There is 1 and there is 3. 1 multiplied by, first step is 1 multiplied by 3, we get 3. Second step is we make the factor of 3. 3 is prime number, that's why 3 सिर्फ अपने टेबल पे जाएगा और किसी टेबल पे नहीं जाएगा. That's why 1 multiplied by 3 equal to 3. 1 multiplied by 3 equal to 3. 3 1 the 3, 1 3 the 3 are same. Got it? We have to require minus 2. We have to require minus 2. When we subtract this, just like 1 minus 3, then we get minus 2. These are the factor of minus 2. 1 minus 3, we get minus 2. Okay, first value y square and the last value minus 3x as it is. What are the factor of minus 2xy is 1 minus 3 plus 1xy minus 3xy. Got it? Now 3 square or x square we also written as 3x whole square minus y square. Okay, now we make the factor of denominator just like this one or this one, y square 1xy, and we take common minus 3xy plus 3x square. Here we open the formula we have learned in previous lecture. Formula is a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Similarly, this is a square and this is b square. We also written as a plus b and a minus b. This is a and this is b. A plus b and a minus b. Now we take common from this bracket. Y is common, y minus x, and here 3x is common, y minus y, sorry, there is plus sign because there is plus, y plus x. Got it? Now y plus x, y plus x are same. It's mean over factorization is correct. Now numerator is as it is, 3x plus y, 3x minus y, and these are same values. We write just only one time, and the common values is y minus 3x. Now this one, this is 3x minus y and this is y minus 3x. Okay, we replace these values just like 3x plus y, and we also replace this y minus 3x. There is minus साइन, जब भी बाहर अंदर माइनस का साइन होगा वैल्यू को रिप्लेस करेंगे तो हम बाहर माइनस का साइन पुट करेंगे. गोट इट? यहाँ पे हमने वैल्यूज़ को रिप्लेस किया, माइनस साइन होने की वजह से हम लोग जब भी वैल्यूज़ को रिप्लेस करेंगे तो बाहर भी माइनस का साइन आएगा. गोट इट? इफ़ देयर इज़ प्लस साइन तो देन इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू पुट माइनस साइन. अगर यहाँ प्लस साइन होता तो हम माइनस का साइन नहीं लगाते, बट देयर इज़ माइनस साइन. अगर वैल्यूज़ चेंज करनी है तो बाहर भी माइनस आएगा और वैल्यूज़ भी रिवर्स हो जाएंगी. गोट इट? बिकॉज हम इसको कैंसिल करना चाह रहे हैं y माइनस 3x से, दिस वन से, और दिस y प्लस x एज इट इज़. नाउ दीज आर कैंसल. माइनस 3x प्लस y and y plus x is your answer. Got it?